I suppose I better get this Lada back on the road, but I think something's missing. What do I need to get that Lada back on the road? Yes, now I'm ready to drive Lada. Хорошо.
Okay, so the Lada. I've had this for 8 years now. So I've got a Mims hoodie on. Mims. Yeah, done some wicked shows for Hondas. The last one's really was when we was at Santa Pod and stuff in the CRX, going up and down the strip and whatever. Anyway, enough of that. The Lada. I've had this for about 8-9 years. Bought it in Hungary. I think it's a place called Eger, or Eger, or however you say it, Eger, in the northern part of Hungary. And yeah, I've imported it over here. She's a 1300, 1.3, 5-speed manual. Left-hand drive, obviously, because Eastern Bloc and all that. And she's tired, so about to change all the brakes. The clutch doesn't work. Lots of problems. But need to pump the tyres up and stuff. I need to get her in the unit and start working on her in there. But the Chase is in there now, so I need to get her out as well. Anyway, thanks for watching the Rory Revs channel. This is where I'll start with the Lada, I suppose. Thanks for watching. All the keys. Oh, I left it unlocked. Listen to that. Classic. I think I just saw a spider fall down in there. That's fantastic. Any spiders about? Oh, let's see. Oh, I just saw one. I'm not sure. Is there any spiders in there? Ignition key. Let's try to start the motor. Oh, no clutch, mate. Blät, why you not bloody work? Ah, blin. I suppose we better go and start working on the motor. Oh look, I've got the tash ready. Got the tash ready to go. I'll grow this tash just for this motor, for this video. But let's get started on the Lada. Okay. Bit of Soviet duct tape holding that on, that's good. And a massive mirror so I can see all the gopniks behind me. Anyway. Let's get started. Pump the tyres up first, let's go. Right, let's go have a look at the old girl. Okay, so these are white walls that I painted on myself, literally painted in Hungary. Didn't go very well. Yeah, tyre's a bit low, so I need to pump that up a bit. So I've got the chrome caps. It's basically a hot rod. Come on now, Soviet hot rod. Is Mercedes Lada is very good, very good, strong Russian car. But as you can see, the white walls have not done very well. To be fair, the tyres are not actually that flat. The back ones are. I already done a burnout with this motor a while ago. Check out the yeah, it's MOT exempt. Cheers. She's rough. If you're wondering why I've got the sunglasses on, it's because I'm using the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarers. Let's have a look under the bonnet. So the bonnet actually flips the other way. Yes, look at that absolute masterpiece. So, like I say, this is a 1300. As it says here, it's 21011 1.3. It just means 1.3. But like I say, I think in the past someone's put a 5-speed gearbox in this because I think this should have had a 4-speed, but not going to complain because 5-speed is obviously better. More gears means more better, always. Anyway, let's get started, I suppose. Pump the tyres up, and I better show you the box of stuff that I bought. bloody long enough. Come and check this out. Oh, okay. So probably about an inch in there. Ooh. So while that pumps up, I need to show you a box of parts that I bought. So the box that I bought from, I think they're from Estonia. Bliat. New discs, but check this out. They're grooved and dimpled, just like on the CRX, but it's got half the power of the CRX, so, and also weighs 100 kilos more, I think, according to Wikipedia. It's like 999 kilogram, whereas the CRX is 910, I think. Right, I better get this box out and show you. Getting the box out of the Civic. You're now on top of the Civic. What I might as well show you. Okay. Yeah, Russia with love. Okie doke. So, pretty good view to be fair. Oh, I might actually bring you down. Right, parts for the Lada. So, first things first. New brake discs, all written in Russian, as you can see. New brake discs. I've never done anything to the brakes on this car in the 8 years I've owned it, so definitely needs new brakes. The price for performance discs for this was basically the same price as a normal solid disc on the front, so I was like, why not upgrade? So, got these. Check that out. I'll bring it up to the camera. We've got some dimpled and grooved discs for this old thing. Okay, so comes with instructions as well in Russian. If you that's not going to mean anything to me. Maybe it'll mean something to you. Okay, discs. Ah, yes. Okie doke. So ignore the knee on the batty. Okay, new hoses for the radiator. These are silicone hoses for the radiator. New air filter. God, this box is ruined. This is, and this rather, all these kind of parts here are the slave and master clutch cylinders. Needs that because the clutch is completely gone on that. Oh yeah, coming to this yard, nearly hit the chaser as I was reversing in because the clutch went and I couldn't stop, so I had to reverse it over here in gear using the starter motor and just starting it and got it over here. And I was like, right, we'll do that another day. Don't know what these are. Not a clue. Everything's written in Russian. New relay. I need this because the alternator will not charge. But we're going to take the alternator off anyway and get it tested to see if it's alright. Because if it don't need changing, I'm not going to change it. New brake hoses. That's nice, all new fittings, copper sealy boys and whatever. Bell mag. It's got a little gecko kind of sign on it. It's interesting. Look at that. Little gecko thing on it. What else we got? New rear brake shoes. Like I say, it's nothing too interesting. It's mostly just maintenance stuff because the Lada's knackered, basically. It needs all this stuff to make this thing go out on the road. It's MOT and tax exempt now. The insurance is like under £200 for the year. It's a no-brainer. It's literally the cheapest car that I own. A little teaser video for the future though. You all know, if you're already a fan of the channel or been watching for a while, I've got a little CRX. I do all my videos with it. It's getting a bit boring, must be honest. It is good fun, but obviously it's the same thing all the time. But I thought it'd be more fun if we bought a second CRX, but we'll save that for another day. Anyway, please subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Like I say, this is the Rory Revs channel. It could go anyway on my channel. We could be messing about with Lada. I've got my mopeds in here, got the CRX there, and I'm pretty sure my moped's dead now, but yeah, anyway, I'm just going to take the Lada to go and start working on it, I suppose, and yeah, I'll make another video soon. I'll be doing pictures of what's going on because it's probably going to take a little while to get this done. But thanks for watching, take care, love you, bye.